You guys, welcome back. I want to wish you all a happy Lunar New Year, Year of the Ox. May this year bring you much happiness, good health, and self-fulfillment. I had the opportunity to visit China in 2012 and often revisit memories of my time there. While this has been a difficult past year for many people health-wise, not being able to travel and be with loved ones this holiday, I hope this food vlog from 2012 will bring you some positive distraction and comfort.
Let's get noodles. Very good. It's actually a very, very hot day, but we're on a boat that has shade, and it feels very nice. There's a forest growing on top of it. See all those trees over there? It's all bamboo. That's very beautiful here. I'm picking up. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, it's bugs. Oh my! It's very beautiful and peaceful here. I think so. I like this food, but it's too smelly. Right now we're at an open market. I'm getting all wet.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Get my shoes. Right now we're at the highest point. It's actually very high up, and we're just going around the mountain. And now we're in the mountain, way up there. It's very light. It tastes like bye bye, 哥哥 buddy. That's a very nice place. Oh no.